year, millions of insulated jackets are filled with lightweight down feathers, yet few people ever see the remarkable machines that make this process possible. Today, we step inside the facility where advanced down jacket filling machines are built, tested, and prepared for factories around the world.
Welcome. Today, we'll follow every stage involved in building the sophisticated machines responsible for accurately filling jackets with natural down feathers. From raw steel and precision components to feather transport technology and final calibration, every system must work with extraordinary accuracy.
Let's begin our journey through the fascinating process of building a machine capable of controlling thousands of feathers with perfect precision.
Every machine begins with precisely engineered raw materials. Structural components must be manufactured to exact tolerances before assembly can even begin. Before assembly begins, every fabricated component is inspected, documented, and prepared for integration into the machine's complex mechanical framework. The assembly process begins with the machine's structural foundation, a rigid framework designed to support every mechanical, pneumatic, and electronic system. The completed framework forms the backbone of the machine, providing the strength, stability, and precision required for every system that follows. Now the machine receives its most distinctive technology, a sophisticated pneumatic transport system capable of moving
Alignment looks good on this side.
Confirmed. Pressure stabilizing at 200 pascals. We are within tolerance.
This intricate transport network will ultimately control the movement of thousands of delicate down feathers, delivering precise quantities exactly where they are needed.
At the heart of the machine lies the filling system itself, engineered to measure and deliver precise quantities of down with exceptional consistency.
Every filling module must function in perfect synchronization, combining precision weighing, airflow control, and intelligent automation. Intelligence is added through a sophisticated control architecture that coordinates airflow, weighing accuracy, filling speed, and machine safety. Mechanical precision, pneumatic control, and intelligent automation now merge into a single integrated production system. Before production begins, every machine undergoes rigorous calibration to ensure precision, reliability, and consistent feather handling performance. Extensive validation ensures every subsystem performs exactly as intended before the machine leaves the factory. The validation report is signed off. We can move this one to the final inspection area. Understood. I'll start the calibration check now.
Every machine undergoes comprehensive inspection to verify manufacturing quality, operational performance, and long-term reliability.
Following extensive testing and inspection, the machine receives final certification and approval for customer delivery.
We are clear on the assembly line.
Roger that. Make sure the export labels are double-checked for the European shipment.
Once approved, each machine is carefully prepared for transportation, ensuring it arrives ready for years of reliable production. From raw materials to intelligent automation, every component contributes to a single purpose, delivering precise